Alright guys, I'm back on the KX 2-stroke, and Mason is actually riding the WR 450 of mine, the El Cheapo project that I bought for 500 bucks and has been stumping me for months with the electric start and everything. He's going to ride that and just see how it works on the trails. I never plan on using it as a trail bike, more of just like a performance dual sport, but we're just going to see how, you know, how easy it wants to start and how well it wants to run and all that stuff. It's been a minute since I've been on this thing. Last time I rode this thing, it wasn't one to idle real well. Thinking it might be time for to go through the engine and stuff soon. See if I can even maneuver my way around this trail we made. We had it clear as day at one point. Now the leaves have covered it up so much. Can't even see where to go. Still some branches to trim. Guys, I got some bad news. If you like the Cowie, my time on it's going to be less and less because pretty sure I'm trading my 450 for a 250 or 300 XC tomorrow. A carbureted 300 XC. I think it's the last year of carb. It's got electric start with backup kick. What are you doing? Sliding down the hill? Oh! Mason's crazy. 450 is just not a good bike for out here billy goating. Now if you put a recluse on it, it's great. This is gonna be slick. This is the ravine I already trashed myself in. See if Mason makes it. He made it! Nice! What do you think of that hunk of junk?
It's pretty interesting in the woods, I'll say that. I cannot get the front brake to lock up like it all though.
Really?
Yeah.
It's spongy? Oh, it's adjusted all the way in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Think it'll start? Check out the sandbar. Tyler said we should just put a recluse in it, that way it'll never stall. I said good idea. That's so weird.